here with MarineMax, and I'm aboard the Aquila 32 with brand manager Harry Mountain. And we are standing in the kitchen area where there are some really great features. Harry, tell me a little bit more about this.
So where we are, Lisa, is right now we're in what's called the indoor-outdoor galley area. So very cool. What you've got is you've got a nice induction barbecue right there, which secures safely. This is kind of cool. Look at this. You've got plenty of area to cut, but if you want to take that out, stick it on here. Now obviously you've got access to your sink, but in addition you've got another nice cutting area here as well.
Wow.
So it gives you, if you put that back on, I'll put this back down. As you can see, plenty of cutting, prepping, storage area. I've got a nice fridge here, and also your trash here, and the Kenny control. So really nice indoor-outdoor galley.
Wow, this is quite amazing. If you're interested in more information about the Aquila 32, check out MarineMax.com or AquilaBoats.com.